teknikdelar, technique parts, to say that this thing was too hard and I broke. It was really bad, you know. I like, it's very bad. I don't understand why it's happened. So I'm gonna do that, to contact them and say that there is a problem with this. It had to be fixed. It had to be fixed, and they had to give me money back. Like last time, in my other parts, it was like, but the battery, and I contacted them, and then they said, oh yeah, we're gonna send you the money back. Like, so easy. And then hard press it. Check the battery is connected. Pull this up. Oh. Pull that up. Okay, that's actually taking us a lot of time, so let's just take these pull tabs off. Okay, so lightly pull for me, and then just press down. Press the battery, and yeah, these little pull tab. Skip some part of the video because this gonna take some time.